Hello everyone, Cece here and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming with another clean with me, you guys. I'm doing some deep cleaning today, so I hope you guys are ready to attack some of those rooms in your house that may need a little bit of your cleaning attention. I'm starting this video out by opening the windows. As you all know, we are slowly creeping into fall and I have been enjoying the nice cooler weather that we are experiencing here in Missouri. And I love opening my windows and allowing some of that fresh air in. So if you guys got any projects that you need to attack, go ahead and get started and let's start cleaning. And you guys, if you do enjoy, please remember to hit the like button. It will help my channel. I am very new to YouTube and I'm trying to build a following and grow my channel here. So if you would hit the like button, that would help your girl out a lot. I would greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, hi, I am Cece, and on my channel I like to focus on cleaning motivation, home decor, DIY, and all of those good things. So if you are interested in any of those things, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that I upload, and be sure to share this video if you think it can be helpful for anyone. And if you do enjoy, please hit that like button. You guys, I've been trying to find another solution other than using paper towels for cleaning my glass. I've heard of some people or seen some people using microfiber towels. If you guys could let me know what you think about those or what you use to clean your mirrors and like stainless steel surfaces, because I use paper towels. I know that can be very wasteful and I would like to find a way to save a little bit of money and something, you know, of course, to help the environment and so forth. So if you guys have any suggestions on what you use to clean your glass, please leave that in the comment section down below. know my outfit changed, but this is still the exact same day. I had to take a break and leave for a little bit, and this is when I came back and I just picked up where I left off. So this is not a 2-day clean. I did do all of this in the same day. I have absolutely fallen in love with burning candles. It was not a thing for me, but I have really fallen in love with it, and I understand people's obsession with them. The only candles that I've been burning so far have come from Bath and Body Works, and I wanted to know where you guys get candles, if you enjoy burning them as well. I heard that the candles at Walmart are pretty good, but like I said, I've never purchased any. So if you guys please care to comment below, let me know where you guys get your candles and a good place to buy some candles to burn in your house. This, you guys, is my makeshift vanity that I created in my closet, and I use this rag or a different rag, whichever one I'm using for the day, to collect all my shavings. That's what that is. I'm trying to find a way to utilize that space. It's a very awkward space to me in my closet. I think I really like it as a vanity, but it needs a little bit more, I don't know, I just feel like it's not complete yet, but that is what that was. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was motivational and inspirational for you guys. Again, if you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that I upload and you will not miss a video. And share this with a friend, family member, or anybody you think it can be helpful for. Again, I thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.